want for you to lie comfortably relaxed. Lie down, lay on your cover, let your body become relaxed. Now that you're in that state of relaxation, things go in your past that hold you back. When you awake from this state, you will feel peace. You will feel joy. You will feel love. You will no longer want to hurt fellow mankind. Differences that you thought were differences before will see as things that you see in yourself. Just relax. You wake up, you will awaken with a different point of view, one that is peaceful, loving, and caring. You will go about the rest of your day